Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through JavaScript template literals, and with this let me give you an example. I'm not gonna go into the details or theories. Let's come in here and type a script tag, and within a script tag I'm gonna type const x equals hello, and then I'm gonna console log or say type in here John, and come in here and I'm gonna say my name is, and I'm gonna add in here our x variable. Hit save, and we got my name is John, but this process is quite bothering. So what we can do, we can use literals instead of this method. Let's come in here and type BACK-TICS, and now I'm gonna say my name is, and let's type in here $, curly braces, and just type in here x. Hit save, and now we got the same result. This way we can include variables inside strings, and within template literals you can use double or single quotes as well. Let's come in here and type double quotes, hit save. We get double quotes, as well as I'm gonna add in here single quotes, hit save. We got single quotes, double quotes, and variables, everything in the same line. We don't need to add any concatenation or plus sign anymore. Template literals also allow multi-line strings. Let's come in here and take this line to the next line, hit save, or I'm gonna come in here and go to new line and type in here this is new line, hit save. Or template literals also allow expression in strings. Let's come in here and type say price equals 10 and VAT equals 0.25. And now let's come in here and type total dollar curly braces, and within curly braces I'm gonna type price into parenthesis 1 plus VAT dot, and I'm gonna use here another method which is to fixed, and I'm gonna give an argument here as 2. Hit save, and we got total 12.5. and it's very handy way to add expressions, variables, codes in your strings. You can also make it really very useful by just come in here and type say let header equals template literals, and let tags equals, and I'm gonna type in here an array, square brackets, quotes, template literals, comma JavaScript. Under codes, I always forget putting codes, and then ES6, and then I'm gonna come in here and say let HTML equals BACK-TICS, and inside BACK-TICS I'm gonna type h2 dollar curly braces, and then I'm gonna give a reference of our header variable, and then I'm gonna enter h2, and then I'm also gonna give it a starting tag of our unordered list. And now let's come into the next line and type in here 4, and here I'm gonna type const x of tags. Come to the new line, and here I'm gonna type HTML plus equals BACK-TICS, and inside BACK-TICS I'm gonna start our list item tag and dollar curly braces, and I'm gonna enter list item tag, and inside this template literal I'm gonna give a reference of our tags variable, and after that I'm gonna come in here and type HTML plus equals, and I'm gonna close our unordered list tag, hit save, and we got nothing. Now come in here and I'm gonna add in here a paragraph tag because we want some element to display our list. Just come in here and type id equals demo, and then I'm gonna type in here document dot get element by id parenthesis underscores. I'm gonna give a reference of our demo id, and then inner HTML equals, and then simply inner HTML equals our HTML variable, semicolon, hit save, and we get all of these. Where did I go wrong? It should give us only template literals, then JavaScript, then ES6, but sorry, I put here tags. It should be X. Hit save. Now we got list of our tags variables values, which is template literals, JavaScript, and ES6, and that's the power of template literals. You can have freedom of adding expressions, variables inside strings. And that was all about template literals. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.